Hey guys, you know that billboard with that big ass dick on it? I guess Sam takes after her dad.
Hey, Kyler. Why don't you shut the hell up and stop being such an ass?
You want another beatdown, Rhea? I'm ready for your lame fight this time.
It's not lame karate. It's Cobra Kai.